A blanket, $13. Happy Halloween. How much is this one? $30. All the pillows. $20. So many. Oh, to choose from. $7. A small one, $6. Oh, the bead. Pretty. And it's heavy. How much? $30. I have not seen any placement. $7. They only have, oh, these beads. $10. I think this one also $10. No, $13. I'm interested. Make it my pouch, $7. Set of 4, $15. Oh, you think I'm. How much? $20. Yeah, just me asking how much. Full price. Oh, that's heavy. That is $20. How much are this one? Oh, the price. What is this? $10. The black pants, $6. What is this? Like so many pumpkins. Home spooky home. $20. You should do like that. Unwelcome. Where's the unwelcome? Good witch. Bad witch. Halloween. Okay, we're gonna see how much. Okay. Oh, this is the enter. Oh no, enter view there. $10. Where is the unwelcome? Foolish welcome. Oh, welcome foolish mortals. Thumbs up. Yeah. Which one, please? $7. And these, the heart one. I thought it's so cute. Oh, you gotta put that thing. This is 15, this is 15, and these how much? $10. This is $10 to hold the pumpkin. You're going that side. Oh, that is.
You go on that side?
No, I don't like that one. Dead and breakfast. That is so cute.
Oh my gosh, it is a lot.
And also, how much is the house? Goes down. I feel like I want to watch a scary movie. Dead or alive. Oh, they have like a. How much is this? $6 for this. $15. The skeleton wheelbarrow. Oh my, that is $150. Oh, this one. That is 20. Oh, it's not heavy. 15. How much is this? That. But I think I like the cute one. I don't want the scary one. This is 25. Oh, clearance. We gotta check the clearance out. That is 30. Oh, this is cute. $100. This is $100. Trick or treat. Oh, that is 130. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah, I like the house though. Like the haunted house. Oh, the puppy. Oh, the jack-o'-lantern, huh? Huh? Oh yeah. Did we? Okay. $6. That one. Please park your broom at the door. $30. I think I like that one. Home sweet home. Oh. The rag, how much? $10. That is $150. Halloween's. Oh, that is 150. This is 150. This is $50. Which is $30. Oh, I put the beads. How much is these? $15. That is good. $6. Oh, it is heavy. 15. Oh my goodness, this is cute. $20. Oh, finally seen turkey. I have not seen any turkey. I think this is the only turkey I've seen. I've seen mostly all Halloween. Morning pumpkin. Oh, $7. It's so cute. They don't have placemat. It is cute too. Oh, there we go. You get this. And the football. That's at 200. I think last year is, you know. That's 180. Oh, happy Halloween fine. 150. Oh. Wow. How much? That is the swinging ghost. Let me try. The swinging ghost. How much?